Gentlemen over 50, if you've noticed changes like less sensitivity, weaker firmness, or slower recovery, the information I'm about to reveal may truly reshape your experience. This has nothing to do with pills, gimmicks, or artificial enhancers. Instead, it's about how certain natural oils, when used correctly, can nourish delicate tissues, support circulation, and help sustain firmness for hours. My name is Dr. Rebecca Clark, and today I'll walk you through it. With more than 15 years in urology, I've witnessed firsthand how proper lubrication habits can determine whether tissues stay healthy or suffer damage, whether sensitivity declines or improves, and whether firmness fades quickly or lasts much longer. In this video, I'll show you which natural oils stand out, why they outperform most commercial lubricants, and the safest way to apply them for lasting benefits. Let's begin with the real changes that occur in your tissues after the age of 50. Changes that make the right lubrication not just useful, but necessary. As you grow older, your skin generates far less natural oil. Those sebaceous glands that once kept everything well moisturized in your 20s and 30s are now working at only a fraction of their former capacity, often producing barely 40% of what they once did. As a result, the thin, sensitive skin in this area becomes far more vulnerable to irritation, small tears, and general wear. Tissue elasticity also declines with age since collagen production naturally slows down, leaving the skin thinner and less resilient. What once healed overnight may now require days or even weeks. Each session without adequate lubrication can create ongoing micro damage that gradually diminishes sensitivity. Your blood vessels undergo changes as well. The inner lining that allows them to expand becomes less responsive with age. But here's the encouraging part. Some natural oils, when absorbed through the skin, can actually enhance local circulation, supporting firmness that would otherwise decline more quickly. On top of that, there's the challenge of reduced nerve sensitivity. Decades of friction without proper lubrication can wear down nerve endings, which gradually lowers sensitivity. What many men assume is simply getting older is often the result of long-term micro damage caused by insufficient protection. That loss of feeling isn't inevitable, it's preventable. Before I introduce the specific oils, let's look at why natural options often provide far better support than most commercial lubricants. The majority of store-bought lubricants include ingredients like glycerin, parabens, and other additives that can irritate delicate tissue over time. They're built for temporary slipperiness, not for supporting long-term health. Natural oils are different. They're rich in vitamins, fatty acids, and beneficial compounds that not only provide glide but also actively nourish and protect the skin. Natural oils don't just sit on the surface, they absorb into the skin, giving you instant smoothness along with lasting benefits. Many also carry natural anti-inflammatory agents that calm irritation and support repair. This absorption is key. Unlike water-based lubricants that stay on top and quickly dry out, oils sink into the upper skin layers, offering longer-lasting comfort while delivering nutrients right where they're needed. That's particularly valuable for staying comfortable during longer sessions. Let's begin with coconut oil, which is often the top all-purpose option for men. Unrefined virgin coconut oil is packed with lauric acid, caprylic acid, and vitamin E, nutrients that directly support intimate tissue health. Its lauric acid also acts as a natural antimicrobial, helping guard against bacterial or fungal problems that can arise in warm, moist environments. This is particularly helpful for uncircumcised men or anyone who often experiences irritation. Think of it as a protective shield, blocking harmful microbes while still allowing healthy bacteria to flourish. Another bonus is its impact on circulation. The medium-chain triglycerides in coconut oil are absorbed through the skin and can encourage better local blood flow. Countless men say coconut oil helps them stay firm for longer compared to standard lubricants. While research is still limited, the personal reports are impressive. Thanks to its rich vitamin E content, it supports tissue repair and preserves elasticity. With consistent use, the overall condition of the skin can noticeably improve, sometimes even rolling back certain age-related changes. Men who transition to coconut oil frequently notice a boost in sensitivity within just a few weeks as their tissue health rebounds. To use it, warm a small amount between your palms first. Cold oil feels unpleasant and doesn't apply evenly. Begin with roughly a teaspoon. You can always add more if needed, but excess can get messy. Since it melts at body temperature, it provides smooth, consistent lubrication without becoming overly runny. One thing to keep in mind, coconut oil is comedogenic, which means it can clog pores. If you're prone to ingrown hairs or irritation in areas with hair, it's best to limit application to the shaft and glands only. Now let's move on to the next option, sweet almond oil, which I recommend especially for men struggling with sensitivity concerns. Compared to coconut oil, it's lighter, absorbs faster, and carries compounds that directly support nerve health. Almond oil is loaded with vitamin E, even higher than coconut oil, and also provides key B vitamins like riboflavin and niacin, both essential for nerve function. With regular use, these nutrients can help restore weakened nerve endings and gradually heighten sensitivity. Almond oil also delivers omega-3 fatty acids that work to ease inflammation at the cellular level. This matters because even low-grade ongoing inflammation can limit both sensitivity and circulation. By soothing it, you clear the way for healthier nerve signaling and better blood flow. Another advantage is its just right texture. Not too heavy, not too light. It offers smooth glide without greasiness and lasts longer than many thinner oils without drying out. For men with delicate or reactive skin, sweet almond oil is usually a safe option. That said, anyone with a nut allergy should steer clear. If you're uncertain, test a small amount on your inner arm first. Start with roughly the same portion as you would with coconut oil, about a teaspoon. But since it spreads more easily, you may find you need less. Another plus, it stays liquid at room temperature, which makes it convenient for spontaneous use. The third option is grapeseed oil. It's even lighter than coconut or almond oil, making it a great choice for men who dislike heavier or greasier textures. But don't underestimate it. This oil is loaded with compounds that actively support vascular health. In particular, it's rich in proanthocyanidins, potent antioxidants known to reinforce blood vessel walls and enhance circulation. When used on the skin, these antioxidants are absorbed and can boost local circulation. Improved blood flow translates into stronger, longer-lasting firmness and heightened sensitivity. Grapeseed oil also supplies vitamin E and linoleic acid, both of which help preserve the skin's protective barrier, crucial for locking in moisture and shielding against irritation. Men who make grapeseed oil part of their routine often notice their skin becoming tougher, healthier, and less easily irritated. A standout advantage of this oil is its ability to help regulate natural oil production. So, if your skin tends to swing between being too dry and too oily, grapeseed oil can bring balance, making it especially useful for men dealing with both issues. Its texture is silky and smooth, giving great glide without any sticky residue. Because it absorbs faster than heavier oils, you may need to reapply if your session runs long. Keeping a small bottle within reach makes touch-ups simple and convenient. Next on the list is jojoba oil. Technically, it's not a true oil, but a wax ester, and that unique composition makes it remarkably close to the skin's own natural sebum. Because of this similarity, the body absorbs it easily, which is why jojoba is considered one of the best choices for enhancing skin health in the long run. Since it closely mirrors natural sebum, jojoba oil helps the skin balance its own oil production. If your body makes too little, something quite common after 50, it provides extra support. If it makes too much, jojoba sends signals to scale it back. This self-regulating effect is unique to jojoba. On top of that, it's packed with vitamin E, B-complex vitamins, plus minerals like zinc and copper, all vital for tissue repair, healthy nerves, and preserving sensitivity. With consistent use, jojoba oil can enhance both the health and responsiveness of intimate tissues. Its texture is excellent for longer sessions. It doesn't dry out, won't turn sticky, and only a small amount is needed. It's also among the gentlest options available, making it especially suitable for men with sensitive skin or those who often react to other products. One of jojoba's standout qualities is its stability. While many oils spoil or turn rancid fairly quickly, jojoba remains fresh for a long time. You can easily keep a bottle by your bedside for months without any concern that it will lose its effectiveness. The fifth option is argan oil. It does tend to cost more than the others, but the benefits explain the price. Argan oil is loaded with unique compounds that make it especially valuable for aging skin and overall tissue health. Its vitamin E levels are remarkably high, and it also provides squalene, a substance that enhances elasticity and helps the skin hold onto moisture. Argan oil also provides ferulic acid, a powerful antioxidant known to enhance blood vessel function when applied to the skin. This can support stronger firmness and greater endurance. In addition, it carries compounds that calm inflammation and aid in tissue repair, making it an excellent choice for men who deal with frequent irritation. Its soothing compounds also make it perfect for men prone to irritation. The texture feels rich yet not overly heavy. It absorbs smoothly while leaving behind a protective layer that keeps everything comfortably slick. Many men find it strikes the ideal balance between absorption and long-lasting lubrication. The main drawback is price. Pure argan oil is costly, but because only a small amount is needed, the investment can be worthwhile for those facing notable sensitivity or tissue health concerns. You don't need to stock up on all 5 oils. In fact, mixing too many can actually be less effective. The smarter approach is to pick one that matches your main concern. If you're after general lubrication and protection, go with coconut oil. For sensitivity improvement, sweet almond oil is ideal. If circulation and firmness are the priority, choose grapeseed oil. For boosting overall skin health, jojoba is a solid pick. And if you want premium care and don't mind the price, argan is the way to go. Apply your chosen oil about 5 to 10 minutes before starting. This gives it time to absorb into the tissue, offering not only surface lubrication but also deeper nourishment. Always warm it between your palms first. This makes it easier to spread and far more comfortable. Use just enough for smooth glide, but avoid overdoing it so you don't dull sensation. Begin with about half a teaspoon, then add more only if necessary. It's always better to apply extra partway through than to start off with too much. For longer sessions, keep the bottle close at hand so you can reapply easily. Most natural oils will need a quick refresh after 20 to 30 minutes. Just pause briefly, add a little more, and continue comfortably. If your main goal is restoring sensitivity, blend sweet almond oil with a touch of vitamin E oil. You can simply open a vitamin E capsule to add it. This mix delivers strong support for nerve health. For a more premium approach, combine jojoba with argan oil. Together, they offer instant comfort along with lasting improvements to tissue strength and resilience. Some men choose to enhance their blends with essential oils. Just a single drop of peppermint oil can stimulate circulation and add a gentle tingling effect, while lavender oil may promote relaxation. Still, caution is crucial. Essential oils are highly concentrated and can irritate sensitive tissue if misused. Always dilute carefully, using no more than 1 drop per tablespoon of carrier oil. Although natural oils are usually safe, there are key precautions when applying them to intimate areas. Always start with a patch test. Place a small amount on the inside of your arm and wait 24 hours to see if there's any reaction. Remember, genital skin is more sensitive than most other areas, so even oils you've tolerated elsewhere should be tested first. If you rely on condoms, keep in mind that oils weaken latex and can cause it to break. That means oil-based lubricants should never be paired with latex condoms. For safe barrier protection, choose polyurethane or polyisoprene condoms instead, or switch to a water-based lubricant when with a partner. Also, always pay attention to any signs of irritation or infection. Even though natural oils may have mild antimicrobial effects, they can still trap bacteria if proper hygiene isn't followed. Always clean the area before and after use, and stop immediately if you notice anything unusual. Store your oils correctly. Keep them in a cool, dark spot to prevent spoilage. If the oil develops an odd smell, changes color, or alters in texture, it's time to throw it out. With consistent use of high-quality natural oils, the benefits build up over time. The health of the tissue steadily improves as vitamins and fatty acids work to repair and fortify the skin, sometimes even undoing years of wear and damage caused by insufficient lubrication. Many men notice greater sensitivity and enjoyment within just a few weeks of steady use. The circulation benefits also become more apparent over time, since the vascular supporting compounds in these oils work cumulatively. Improved blood flow doesn't just lead to stronger firmness, it also helps shorten recovery time between sessions. Using the right oils also provides a layer of protection, lowering the risk of future harm. Each well-lubricated session means less micro-trauma to delicate tissue. Over time, this preservation of skin and vessel health becomes a major advantage as you continue to age. Some men also mention unexpected benefits from steady oil use, such as relief from dry skin, less irritation caused by clothing, and even slight improvements in minor Peyronie's related discomfort. My advice is simple: pick the oil that best matches your main concern and stick with it for 30 days. Apply it 5 to 10 minutes before any solo activity, using just enough for smooth glide and adding more only when necessary. Track your progress. Note changes in sensitivity, comfort, firmness duration, and skin condition. Most men begin noticing improvements within 2 weeks, with even greater results appearing by the end of the month. After completing a 30-day routine, you can begin experimenting with other oils or blends to discover what works best for you. Everyone's experience is different. Some men prefer the richness of coconut oil, while others feel it's too heavy. Some enjoy the light feel of grapeseed oil, whereas others need something more robust. The key is that the right oil isn't only about comfort, it's about supporting long-term health. It's really about safeguarding and even enhancing the health, sensitivity, and function of your tissues. For men over 50, when natural oil production drops and resilience weakens, this step isn't just optional, it's essential. Think of it as an investment in the long-term well-being of intimate tissues that play a major role in overall quality of life. Spending just a little on quality oils today can help protect you from sensitivity loss, tissue damage, and even future medical treatments. Keep in mind, this isn't only about pleasure, it's about self-care and overall health. Looking after intimate tissue is just as vital as caring for your heart, joints, or skin. With the right oil routine, you can preserve and even enhance function and sensitivity well into your later years.